that front end up. Oh!
What is up, guys? It's Slow Joe, and today we're testing out something a little different than we've done in the past. We have this Beta e-bike Explorer, and we're going to be riding it in about 6 inches of upstate New York snow. We're going to be testing this bike out. We're going to give some feedback on kind of the capabilities of it to see what it can do and what it can't do, and we're going to be testing the battery life. We're going to see what the battery life on this really is. We've got about a full charge right now, and I know in the cold that doesn't do well with batteries, so we're going to see really what it's like and how long we can ride this thing. I think we're gonna have a ton of fun. We're gonna shred some corners, drift some corners. Gonna be riding the hell out of that back brake, and we're gonna have a good time. So we will see you on the trails in about 5 seconds.
Time to ride this fucking thing. Kind of see some of the outlines of my old ruts, but I'm kind of just guessing. Woo, that was something. Going 25 miles per hour. Pretty fast. Whoa. A little bit of a downhill here. May have to clean up some of these sticks so they don't impale me. Oh, here's a rut. Kind of looks like a rut. Going up the hill. That's squirrely as fuck. I want to kind of make my own trail before I start going buck wild. A little bit of a jump here. Whew. Oh, we're cruising now. 33. Here's my rut. All right, so we're back on the trail. Got some warmer gloves. Kind of it's harder to grab the brakes, but who needs brakes, right? So we're gonna shred some more laps. The bike seems to be handling its own. And there's some nice ruts starting to form. The ground's still a little frozen. Just breaking in trails. All over the place. Dragging the brakes, these gloves are hard to ride with. Whoa. The big rut coming out. Bad line. Bad line for it. Oh, good line though, through it. Woo. Wide open. 25 miles per hour. No brakes. Got nothing. These gloves are so hard to ride with. I'm getting squirrely. Big rock. Big jump. Not really big jump. Woo. Let's see if we can put in some heaters. Just sitting down, feet flopping all over the place. Now we're standing. Oh shit! Whiskey throttle, looking for the back brake with my foot. I gotta take these gloves off, they're too hard to ride with. Oh, that's awesome. I'm waiting for a big rock to claim me. Rock that I can't see. Oh! Didn't get through it good. Man, I need an arm pump. Struggles a little up this hill, but it kicks up. I got some bad lines here. I gotta consolidate one. No brakes. Oh! Blew through the berm. This is so fun. I need to get rid of that rock. Next lap. If I remember, which I probably won't. Next lap. Oh, that. Boy, see that rock. I don't have a good line for this. Go outside in. It's a little bumpy. Woohoo! This line just funnels me right there. Oh! Wide open, giving this thing all it's got. That's fun. Stand it up. More wide. Oh, looking for that back brake that's not there. Just missed that fucking rock. A little bit of air. It's more of a wheelie. Picking that front end up. Oh! Oh, man. First crash. Alright guys, we've been riding about 50 minutes here, so a little under an hour, and we are at 30%. I'm not sure when the limp mode kicks in. I don't know if that's 10%, so it looks like we probably only have about 20-ish% of battery left before we're donezo. So I think I'm just gonna put in some hot laps, do 2 or 3 really fast laps, get kind of squirrely, channel my inner Carson Brown, and then maybe do some backwards laps. Maybe the ruts will be fun, hit different. We're just gonna enjoy this last little bit. On that note, might as well make sure I did that perfect. All right, gonna keep going. Corner sucks. Snow makes some pretty good banks actually for ruts. Rock. Oh, another rock. Oh no, we're on limp mode, everyone. Shit. That's all we got. Ah! Oh, that was so much fun though. Might as well just give the review of this bike. Riding around in lit mode the last little bit of this track. So the capabilities of the Beta bike itself, right? Without all these nasty conditions we're in today, it's a pretty fun little bike. I mean, it's a mid-range to mid-size bike. I'd say maybe something similar to a big wheel super mini. Let's give it some beans up this hill. So it's the perfect size for a play bike. It doesn't feel full size whatsoever. If anything, it does feel a little bigger than smaller. It feels, you know, more like I'm riding a 125 than a 65. But riding in this snow is a ton of fun. Once I kind of got my lines cut in, it was really fun. I feel like I could go pretty fast everywhere. I mean, I was getting a little squirrely. I had to watch out for some rocks underneath the snow base. But for the most part, it was a blast. And it's just as fun too, shredding in some virgin snow. I mean, it does have a lot of power. Enough power at least to kind of rip around and do some donuts on this gravel. See how fast lit mode can go. I mean, lit mode, I'm still going 23 miles per hour. Nobody coming. Perfect. And got just under about an hour of riding time, which I'm not really super bummed out about. I mean, I'm pretty tired. I mean, I could have rode a little longer, but I'm not super bummed just because I'm riding in some pretty atypical conditions. It's cold. That doesn't do the battery any favors. Not a lot of traction, so I'm spinning the wheel pretty much everywhere. So I'm really using the motor. But yeah, an hour. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm gonna pack this thing up and go try to stay warm. If you guys like this kind of content, subscribe, like, leave a comment. It means a lot to me. So I know people are actually watching my stupid little videos. Thanks everyone, and peace out.